Hello everybody, we're here at an event with Colton, who's been nice enough to try it out for the first time. Have you ever seen the Pro Hair Ties before?
I have not.
No? I've never seen him on like Instagram, Facebook?
No, nothing.
No? Okay, cool. So I'm going to show him real quick kind of how the product works. Just go ahead and pick one out. Awesome. So what you're going to do is just put it in your hair like a normal hair tie. So just put it in your hair. Then when you're going to take it out, we're going to lift up on this clasp and just let it fall out. So you can open it up and just kind of see how the clasp works. It's just like a little, yep, there you go. It's pretty simple there. And it just goes back together. So just go ahead and wrap it in your hair twice. And then we'll see. Cool.
I got thick hair,
No, you're
so
good. Just twice.
just twice.
Yeah. Okay, so you're used to having to wrap it like 3 times, right? Because your hair's so thick.
Well, I put it in a man bun. Is all I really do. I don't like
okay.
it just dangling like this.
I got you. Okay, so we're gonna make it a little bit bigger then, so you can do it that 3rd time. Okay. So just go ahead and pop it off. So just pinch it until you find that piece of plastic, and then just lift it up at an angle, and just let it fall out. Just kind of let it go. Yep, there you go. Perfect. I got you. And then what we're gonna do, so you have pretty thick hair already, so we can't make it, we wanna make it a little bit bigger. So what I'm gonna do is add a piece. So we're actually gonna take another one here, and then we're gonna make it a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna trim it. So I'm just gonna add just a little section. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna put less stress on the hair tie itself. And always keep these extra pieces because you can use them to make more hair ties later on, like a bigger hair tie.
Okay.
So we're gonna put this together like this. And then this is just pretty much a bigger hair tie.
Okay.
So it's the same thing. Whenever you pull it off your wrist though, pull it with the clasp in your hand.
Okay.
And that's just so that when you like pull it off, you don't get your hair caught in the clasp.
Okay.
So always like whenever you put it up, just pull it with the clasp in your hand. So here you go, man. So you can do it how you normally wear it. So just because his hair is so thick, we had to make it a little bit bigger. And you'll see here whenever he wraps it the 3rd time, it won't be super tight in his hair either. You always want to wear it as loose as possible. You don't want to have it too tight. The looser it is in your hair, the more the healthier it is for your hair. So he's gonna do it here. Yep. Perfect. There you go. How does that feel?
Feels pretty good. It's comfortable.
Does it feel like it's pulling or anything?
No, there's nothing pulling. It's very comfortable. It's not like the normal hair ties that you buy at the grocery store.
Right.
So
gives it a little bit more better hold probably.
yeah.
And then it's the same thing when you'd want to take it out. Do you feel like it's gonna slip out like over time at all?
No, I don't feel like it'll slip out over time. It's very snug in there.
Right. Cool. And do you want to pop it out, or do you want to just leave it in?
I could pop it out just to give it a test.
Yeah. What do you think?
It's pretty good.
Is that easier than like?
It's a lot better than having to just like pull it out manually like I did before.
Right.
Awesome.
So would you recommend guys with longer hair to give them a try, or what do you
I would
think?
recommend giving it a try. I mean, it doesn't hurt to give it a try, you know?
Yeah.